Good morning, students. So, everyone is ready for their science class. Am I audible and visible to all of you clearly? Will you confirm me? Am I audible and visible to you properly? Yes or no? Am I audible and visible? Am I audible properly? Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Very nice. So, students, today we are going to do a revisional class with MCQs only. Okay. So, I am going to ask you some questions and you are going to give me the answers. I will be giving 3 options also. So, first listen the question properly, take 3 options and then after you give me the right option. Okay. Okay. Come on. So, the first one, let us find out, that is, we wear cotton clothes in dash season. We wear cotton clothes in dash season. The first option is summer, second is winter, third is rainy. So, which will be the correct one? Who is the first one to answer me? Come on, let's see. First, come on, let's see. Yes, here comes Shauhardo, first one to answer, then after Shama Prabhu and then after Shubham. Many times I have told you not to send this type of icons. Please send the answer. Please send the answer, okay? I'm waiting for your answer, beta. So, yes. Okay, Anurag, just a minute. I'm just solving your problem. Just a minute. Okay. So now it's fine, Anurag. I hope your problem has been solved. So Shohardo is the first one to give me the correct answer, that is summer season. Very good. So let us go for the next question. And the next question is, we must brush our teeth dash a day. So it can be twice, thrice or once. We can brush our teeth dash a day. It can be 3 options: twice, thrice, once. So which is the correct one? Who can tell me? Who is the first one to inform me? Yes, Shama Prabhu. Very good. Rudra Aditya second and Anurag third. Very nice. Very good. So, very good. So, everyone has given the answer. Now, let's go for the next question. There will be 10 questions, okay? So, let's go for the next question. And the next question is, we should wear dash clothes. We should wear dash clothes. Warm clothes, neat clothes, dirty clothes. So, what type of clothes we should wear? Warm clothes, neat clothes or dirty clothes? Okay, very nice. So, 5 are writing. Let's see the answer. Who is? Yes, neat and tidy clothes. Very good, Shama Prabhu. He's the first one to answer exactly. Srijan is the second one to answer properly. Very good. So, let's go for the next one. And the next question is, a family in which grandparents, parents, uncle, auntie lives together, that family is known as small family, large family, joint family. What it is known as? Small family, large family, joint family. A family where grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt all live together. So let us see who is going to give the first answer. Come on, let's see. Who is the one to give the first answer? Yes, Shama Prabhu has given the first answer, joint family. Next is Shauhardo, and where are the rest of the students? Come on. Where are the rest of the students? Shrestha has given. Very good. Okay, very nice. Now let's go for the next question. And the next question is, eyes helps us to dash hear, smell, see. Eyes helps us to dash hear, smell, see. And I got the first answer from Shama Prabhu, Shauhardo, very good. And Anurag, already I have muted from here. Come on, done. Come on, let's see. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next question. Excellent. Each and every student is doing their studies very nicely. I can see here. So let us go for the next question. Our hands help us to dash. Our hands help us to dash. Walk, stand, write. So our hands, the three options. First take the option. First take the options. I'm going to give you three options and your answer will be from that three option only. I told walk, stand and write. Yes, the correct answer is right. And let me see who is the first one to give the correct answer first. And that was Shama Prabhu. And the second one is Shauhardo, the correct answer. And then after comes number 3, that is Shrestha. Okay, hold, eat. There was no hold or eat in the options. So listen to the options properly. Don't be in hurry. Next question. And the next question is, we get milk from dash. We get milk from dash. First option, honeybee. Second option, cow. And third option, sheep. We get milk from dash. First option, honeybee. Second option, cow. And the third option is sheep. So Shama Prabhu, Shrestha and Rudra Aditya. Very good. Mayuk Majhi, Shauhardo, everyone has given. Simran, everyone has given the exact answer. Excellent. Now let's go for the next question. And the next question is, we eat our dash at night. Breakfast, lunch or dinner. We eat dash at night. So who is going to give the answer first? Let's see. Fast. Yes, it's Shrestha. And then after it's Mayuk Majhi, that is Shauhardo and Shama Prabhu, Simran, Rudra Aditya. Excellent, very nice. And Anurag, please rectify your spelling of dinner. Now let's go for the next question. And the next question goes for, we should do our exercise. We should do our exercise. And your options are every Sunday, every month, every day. So every Sunday, every month, every day. Three options are there. And which is the correct one? Simran has given the first answer. Very good, Simran. Excellent. And Shama Prabhu is the second one. And Shrestha is the third one. Excellent. Very good. So let's go for the next question. And the next question is, which of these following thing is used to clean our home? Which of the following thing is used to clean our home? Our first option is 1, broom. Second, fan. And the third, washing machine. So which one is the... Okay, Shrestha has given first answer, I got it, and second one has been received from Simran. Excellent. And where? Okay, then after Shauhardo, then after Shama Prabhu, Rudra Aditya. Excellent, very good. So broom is the correct answer. Broom is being used to clean our house. Now let's go for the next question. And the next question is, waterproof clothes are used in which season? Waterproof clothes are used in which season? Winter, summer or rainy? winter, summer or rainy? Very good. 3 options have been given and Shyama Prabhu is the first one to give the answer. Then comes the Rudra Aditya and let's see who was the next one. Shubham, I am just telling you repeatedly, don't send these icons. Send your answer. Rudra Aditya and Srestha, Simran, Shohadosh, Moyuk. Excellent. Very good. And this will be the last question for all of you. And your last question is, everyone is ready? Ready? Okay. Dash regularly. It's your favorite question and I know you all know your answers. Dash regularly. And your options are cooking, playing, that means cook, play and sleep. Now which you want to do regularly? Cook, your answer should be according to your book. Cook, play, sleep. What you should do regularly? So let us see who is going to give the answer. And I got the answer first from Srijan, okay, second from Shauhardu, then after from Simran. Okay, everyone has given the exact answer, and though all three activities are being done regularly, but playing regularly is given in your book, and even you should go to sleep every day on time, that is also regularly. But according to the sentence in the book, we should play regularly. Excellent. So students, we did the practice of MCQ questions today orally, and you more and more just read your textbook, each and every line of your textbook, because the questions are going to have lots of twists and turns in your exam. Okay, so if you are reading the book properly, if you are going through each and every sentence, there will be not a single question which you won't be able to answer on your own. So I will be back again tomorrow with your new class. Till that time, bye bye.